How to add money to Cashapp or how to add cash to Cashapp account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bipin Vasnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add cash to Cashapp or how you can add money to Cashapp. Well, the process itself is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. What you want to do is you want to open your Cashapp application, right? You can get the application from Play Store or App Store depending on the device, whether on Android or iOS respectively. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Cashapp and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, at the homepage you'll get the option that says money, right? You want to tap on the money tab and then tap on Add Cash option. Once you tap on Add Cash option here, I don't have a video, but I'll just be showing you a quick picture here. Once you tap on Add Cash here, you'll get an face like this. You can choose the already written amount there, either $10, $25. It'll be added quickly. However, if you want a custom account amount that you want to add, you can tap on that option and then tap on the Add Cash option and then enter in the amount customly. And once you enter in the amount, simply tap on Add option at the bottom of your screen, and once you do so here, it'll be added to your account. So this way you can add cash to Cashapp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.